Hello everybody! So ngayon, just woke up and get ready with me and samahan niyo ako sa day na life. Wow! So today, kakagising lang. I'm just finished eating as well. Honestly, I woke up so late. As you can see, it's already 9:43. 9:43 na. I usually wake up at around 8 or 7. And now, let's just fix first everything that we can hear sa bahay. Pretty! Pretty! Pretty girl! Pretty girl! Hello everybody! So ngayon, tapos ko lang maligo. So fresh na ulit ako. So at saka meron na rin ako energy. Kasi na alibadbaran na ako. So ngayon, just going to do our thing. Recently kasi nagkaroon ako ng ano dito. Nagkaroon ako dito ng dry patch na sobrang dry. Pati dito, tsaka dito. Ngayon, galing na siya. As you can see. Tayo ay mag-moisturizer. Tagal ko hindi nakapag-moisturizer kasi gamit ko lang talaga is this one. Actually, kahit sa bahay ako, nag-perfume ako. This is my perfume. I have 2 perfumes and this one, my boyfriend really loved this smell sa akin. Okay, so I have this. It's Shark and it's for my bebe. Ewan ko na lang kung rinig niyo pa ako dito. Kaya, alam nyo, maganda yung Shark. Hindi ko alam kung naririnig niyo ba ako or what, pero for me, nagagandahan ako sa Shark, pero at the same time, sobrang lakas niya, sobrang ingay, sobrang gulo. I know. Ang buhok ko talaga, sobrang tagal matuyo. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari sa buhok ko, pero sobrang tagal niya bago matuyo. Usually, kapag bagong ligo ako, na hinayaan ko lang mag-air dry, it will take me like 4 hours talaga, sometimes whole day, as in hanggang gabi, magugulat na lang ako na pag hinawakan ko yung buhok ko, basa pa dun sa ilalim na part. So, kaya magandang tulong na rin nagkaroon ako ng ganito kasi even though na hindi naman ako nagkukulot ngayon, katulad na yun, hindi naman ako nagkulot, at least, natutuyo ko pa rin yung nakikita nyo naman, iba yung suot kong sing-sing. Ito yung promise ring kasi ng bebe ko. This is the engagement ring. This is the engagement ring. As you can see, so pretty! But, the thing is, parang nag-shake siya. Parang medyo loose ata yung prong. I don't know what happened. Sinusuot ko to araw-araw. Pero wala pa tong isang buwan sa akin. I don't know why, ha? So, ngayon, hindi ko muna siya sinusuot. Tinatago ko muna siya. Kasi, ayokong mahulog yung diamante. Laki-laki rin ng diamante na, no? Tuka muna. Yung promise ring muna. Tsaka, I really love this kasi ito yung first ring na bigay sa akin na bebe ko, no? Hello! Hi, you guys! So, it's currently 12:40 na. So, konting minuto na lang ay ano na naman tayo? Work. So, nakapag-set up na ako. I'll show you the setup. Don't bash me because sa loob ako ng kwarto namin. Yung kwarto kasi namin, just a context, is a shared room with my siblings. And I usually like work here. Dati, nag-work ako dun sa table, pero hindi na ako nag-work dun kasi nag-gaming yung kapatid ko. So, I was like, YOLO, just do it here na lang sa floor. So, oops, narinig niyo ba yun? But yeah. I'll show you. As you can see, ayan ang aking setup. There's the extra monitor and this is my laptop and here's yung mga notepads ko and all na kapag nagno-notes ako. So yeah. So ngayon, just going to wait for the time. And actually, nagpaplano-plano na ako kung ano yung mga gagawin ko today. Nag-notes na ako ng mga task ko kasi I usually like really do yung mga list down of the stuff that I'm going to do kasi gusto ko organized. And yun lang naman. And kakatapos lang namin din mag-call ng Bebe Loves ko kasi break niya. Pero kakatapos lang din ng break niya. But yeah, soon, mag-move out tayo dito. So, magkakaroon tayo ng move out vlog. Excited ako. But, hello you guys! So, ngayon, it's currently 1:07 na. 1:07 na, and now we're going to start our work. So, come with me sa work ko. Guys, look at my notepad. So thick. $700 ml of coffee throughout the shift. And I can't work without watching any Ryan Trahan videos or any videos or any music because I'm gonna be bored. So as of now,
but that's besides the point. We need to focus on Los Angeles and update our bucket list book. This
bucket list. Going to be a meeting.
Thunder, yeah.
Yes.
I knew it when I met you that you were like.
Hi, you guys. So here's my boy Fee. Say hi, boy Fee. I mean, fiancé pala. Sorry.
Hello.
Say
Hey, Ru. Hi. Just here watching what's the best, the comforter or the bed.
Para siyang robot magsalita. Hindi yan robot Hindi yan AI. Parang AI lang kasi tuwang ko dyan. Tapos ngayon, kakatapos lang na namin ng catch up. Sabi niya quick catch up pero parang long catch up yon. And also, yung sinabi ko sa inyo kanina sa ring, nag-reply na sila. So by the weekend, mga Saturday ata, pupunta ako and hopefully hindi umuulan kasi mahirap mag-commute ng umuulan.
Bye, everyone. See you later. I'm just gonna watch you again.
Pinapapanood ko sa kanya yung teach you a lesson pero hindi niya pa pinapanood. So yun lang. Sige, bye. Amaya na ulit. Second meeting. So yeah, on my end, I'm just going to do and develop some concept as well. Done with the meeting, so it's just very quick. Usually, hindi naman ako nagsalita doon kasi wala pa akong gawain. And then, mag-out ko na kasi isang oras din to yung meeting namin. But, yes! Out ko na. Tomorrow na ulit, pero mag-notes lang ako very quickly kung ano yung mga kailangan gawin. And yung mga ideas ko din para hindi mawala din for tomorrow. Tapos na rin. So, thank you for watching. And I hope I'll see you again. I think maybe this week, I'm going to do something. I don't know yet, but I'm gonna try to do this weekly.